Hello everyone, I am Praveen Bikash Rai Tutu from the School of Prosthetics and Orthotics, Bangladesh. Today I am going to show you all how to make radial static forearm based wrist hand orthosis. So here is the material called Orifit sheet, which we'll use to make our orthosis, and which is also low temperature thermoplastic. Let's go. First of all, we need to take the tracing of the hand and forearm. Then mark the olecranon process, styloid process, proximal palmar crease and mid of the middle finger. From the olecranon process, we will go for 5 cm distal, and that will be our bigger circumference, and from the styloid process we will go 1 cm proximal, that will be our lower circumference, and also at the proximal palmar crease level. For the measurement area, taking 2/3 of the both bigger and lower circumferences, and at the proximal crease level we takes the half of it. So at the bigger circumference, from the mid we will take 2/3 of it and also keep it at the smaller circumference area. Then we match all the border lines following the shape of the forearm and hand, and covering the thumb area gap in between the index finger. Then we cut the Orifit sheet according to the taken design. To cut the sheet, we used a sharp knife and hit it with our heat gun and cut it, or we can use the jigsaw machine to cut the sheet. Then we need to boil it or melt it within 80 degrees Celsius of boiled water till it got transparent, and if it reached too much melted, it will stuck with the surrounding things. Then take it out and put it over a small towel, and as soon as possible we put it to the patient's limb by maintaining the trim line and 20 degree of extension of the wrist.